this. It's something from Louis Vuitton. This is what I bought in the Paris Louis Vuitton store. And one thing I noticed about Paris store is that, look at the packaging. There is no ribbon that tie across the box, which is funny. And later you will notice that I'll have more videos from Louis Vuitton that does not have ribbons that tie and secure the box. Funny, isn't it? But one thing for sure is that the store is super busy. There's so many people, and it's like the sales staff are like robots trying to sell. No, maybe they're not trying to sell, but they're just trying to get the model that the client already know what they want. They walk in, they tell the model number, they tell the color, specification, etc. And the sales staff job is only to go in, reach for a new piece and go to give to the client, and then process the payment, and there you go. Bye bye. Next one, next client comes in, give the model number, they grab the stock and go to the payment counter, and that's it. The sales staff are really like robots. They don't really sell. They don't give recommendations. They just sit there. Or no, not maybe sit there. They stand there, wait for the model number to come, and grab the thing, pay, and that's it. And next client, next client, next client. Because the store has so many people. And look at the packaging. No ribbons. There is hardly any sales or customer service being involved in this. And the whole experience here in this store was really like brisk. It's so fast. You go in, you buy, and you have to get out. So packed with people, so you can hardly enjoy any nice customer service inside unless you are going like what, 4, 5 o'clock right before it closed. But maybe I went in at the wrong time in the morning. Maybe I went in the morning when there was already a long queue queuing outside the Louis Vuitton store. So maybe that was the problem. So, too many people. And this is what I have from the store. Let me show you. It's the Pochette, the Louis Vuitton Pochette. And from what I understand from the sales associate, this is the only piece in store, and it's super hard to get. It's so difficult to get that people have to go on a wait list to get this particular Pochette. So I was like waiting at the store for about 15 minutes. So I thought the sales staff has already forgotten me, but it turns out he gave me this, and he said, well, we just got this in the delivery this morning. I just went down to see what we have for today, and this is what I have, and there is only one piece. Would you like to have this? And I was like, what? You only have one piece? And I guess I was right. So sometimes it really turns out that it is good to be one of the first in line, to be in the store, so that the sales staff can reach out for anything that is being delivered for that day and grab the stock for you. You know what I mean? So yeah, I got this, and I'm quite happy that I got this. So let us take a look at the inside, but I think you already know what's inside, but nevertheless, let's show you. So earlier just now, yeah, I was talking about the customer service, right? So this stuffing, this paper, is what I stuffed in myself. I already have this paper, so I wanted to keep the shape, so that's why earlier I put this in to keep the shape of the bag. This condition was what the sales associate passed me in the dust bag in the box. No stuffing at all. No dust bag for the straps. Amazingly, this is how they do business in Paris' flagship store. Hardly any, maybe value-added service, I can call that value-added service, to put a dust bag in this for this strap. And in fact, actually when I was talking to the sales associate, I was asking him whether if he can give me a little dust bag for this strap. I asked for it, but turns out when I received the item and I opened it earlier, there was no dust bag to hold this strap. Amazing customer experience in the flagship store. But yeah, the excuse is that there are too many people, and alright, it's fine. You're too busy, and anyway, I paid for the bag, and I have everything that I paid for, so I'm okay. I'm fine with that. The good point is he made the effort to get me the only and the single piece of Monogram Pochette. So this is what I truly appreciate, and I'm really happy that I got this, because so many people were standing around me and they really wanted it, and they were asking, is she taking this? Is she taking that? You know, they were asking like that. But in my mind, I already decided that I wanted this, so I replied to the sales associate that, yeah, okay, sure, I will definitely take this, and then he put aside for me. So yep, plus point for that. There you go, guys. This is the end of this particular piece of unboxing, and if you love my video, click on the like button, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, click on the subscribe button, and also do your comments on the bottom. Let me know if you have any comments, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.